Hey, this is to the 8-bit guy on your vintage Moonbase arcade security screw you found. The screw's an AvSafe security screw. This is the proper driver for it. This is a number 4. This is the one I use and come across regularly in industrial equipment. If you will notice, the out of round hole that goes over your out of round head, and the security screw is common in industrial applications, in medical devices, especially today. They're very hygienic in the medical environment because they don't have any crevices or anything for bacteria to accumulate in. They're used in electrical enclosures and secure environments like jails. They're used also in jails for screwing in window bezels. Pioneer Electronics was a big user in the 90s of these and their cable television division. But yeah, this is a number 4. Yours looks like a number 6 or number 8. I will link in the description to where you can get the drivers and replacement screws so you can put your Moonbase back to factory condition. I hope this helps you. Hope you learned something. Bye.